Hello YouTubers, I just thought I'd show you my Shark S900C motorcycle helmets, which I sticker bombed over the weekend. I spent about 5 hours just pasting stickers everywhere, so I think it looks pretty cool, unique if nothing else. Yeah. And if you're thinking about doing this yourself to something, just remember you gotta clean it really well with some rubbing alcohol, or I use these napkins or wet wipes with alcohol, and it was pretty okay, I think. I'll just have to wait for the summer and see how long it lasts. Maybe I'll do some clear liquor on it, so I don't know. Yeah, thanks for watching.